Bye.
You are interested in the problems of society like animal abuse?
Yes.
Of course. Well, this is your chance. You are cordially invited to our next event.
Okay, of course, what day will be held?
In November 19 of the current year. A lot of it will be at 8 a.m.
And where will be the event be?
In the premises of the UVM, is the building B in the classroom B005. Oh, excuse me. Yes. We need the ID for the event. Yes, only ID.
We are also accepting donations for Animal Protection Association as well as volunteers to help either rescue pets, free veterinary service, and temporary homes. We will have the participation of mobile clinics for pet sterilization and the spirit community to help find family pets.